guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam bronze and crystal hurricane. So what you're going to need some of this antique bronze rhinestone embellishment or mixed pack. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these teardrop pendants. These are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these metal candle holders. Now because I'm using an antique bronze, you can go ahead and paint these like an antique bronze or an oil bronze. As you can see, it won't make very much difference if you don't paint them, so you can just leave them black. I think that they're black. They could be bronze. They could be like an antique bronze. I'm not sure. I'm just saying black because they look black to me. But anyway, it won't make very much difference. You can keep them black or you can paint them. It's up to you. So you'll need 2 of these from Dollar Tree. You'll need one of these round mirrors from Dollar Tree. And from Walmart, I'm going to be using some peel and stick gemstones. You can find peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using on my project hot glue. I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you want to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this antique bronze and crystal hurricane turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make, and this will go really nicely if you have like oil rubbed bronze or gold and you're really wanting to bring in some of the warm tones for fall. This piece would really work well with that. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.